In this video, we are going to see how we can find our Roblox user ID on mobile phone, whether you are using it on iOS or Android. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys, but you cannot do it directly actually on the Roblox application, but we will see a simple solution on how you can easily do it on your mobile via browser. So we click on the Chrome browser and just open up Roblox and log in with your ID. So once we are on the home tab, we click on our profile, and once we are inside the profile, on the top there is a URL. We copy that URL and let's actually paste it somewhere. Once you paste it, whether in messages or in notes, you can see this user ID right here. We will just copy this from this place and you can use it wherever you want. So basically this number right here is our user ID. So that is how you find your Roblox user ID on a mobile. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.